That's a hard piece of wood. If an excavator can't even freaking split that piece of wood, that's a, you know, that's a hard piece of wood. Try it again. No, it's just sinking in the dirt. It's starting to. It's starting to crack. Look, it started to crack. There you go, spinning around a little bit. I flipped over on him now. Give it one more shot. Hit it just right. It's like a crack. Oh, look at it, folks. It's about ready to go. Got a crack all the way across it. You're that close. It cracked. There we go. That's a tough piece of wood. It's stuck now. Hey, it's yours now. Watch him crack that wood now. That's a tough piece of wood. Oh, there it goes. We dug a hole at the same time. Look, he's gonna add it to the fire. Check that shit out right there now. Let's wiggle it good. That's my friend right there now. Damn, look at there. That's awesome. Bury that hole back up when nobody fall. Good man there now. He can damn sure build a fire with a backhoe. Look at there. Cover up all the holes and everything. That's a good video. Damn good video right there. Check him out. Flatten the ground out, we don't nobody fall. Done help the brother out with a damn big log that was too big to put in the fire. Only does he know, he just took away my seat because I was using that to sit on next to the fire. Yeah, I'm just kidding. I had a lawn chair.